barbell rows for back. And then when I'm done, I'm going to explain my thought process there. First thing that you might notice is that I was up on a platform on the rack, and that's because the 45-pound plates, they're bigger. I want the longest stretch on the bottom that I can. So I have it on the safety rack, and then I'm up on a platform. And the only reason for that is so I can go get that, that just a little bit more of a stretch on the bottom of the knee, right? I'll always use wrist straps for all back exercises. I mean, could I use my grip, all right, and do it? Sure. But what I want to do is take the pressure off of my grip, off of my arms. I mean, the grip and your arms are always going to come into play with your back exercise. I want to minimize that and put as much of the tension, the overload, on my back. So I'll always use wrist straps. All right, I'll worry about direct forearm stimulation, in strength, some other exercise, direct forearm work. Right. I always go in the 1-2 count, and what I mean by that is I explode with the 1 count. It's always 1, and then I control the negative on the bottom, and inside my head I'm going in a 1-2 tempo to control it on the way down. All right, so it's 1, 1, 2. One thing too is that as I'm pulling the bar, right, for my back, I aim lower versus you might see some people pull it like to the chest, all right, maybe belly button. I try to bring it all the way down to what I call my belt buckle, right? I'm bringing it down a lot lower in that movement. Another thing too is I want to keep my elbows tucked in. I'll turn around for a second. I don't want them to flare out, all right? So I'll keep them, tucked in the movement. They'll want to flare out. I'm just conscious of that. All right, I keep them tucked in. I shoot for that belt buckle. Right now I'm working the 6 to 8 rep range. All right, so I always pick a weight that's challenging enough. After I've warmed up, I don't pyramid up in weight once I get to my heavy sets. All right, my warm-up was done before I started these. All right, and then I stay in that 6 to 8 rep range. All right, I want to weight that's challenging, but I can get at least 6, but not more than 8. And you might have to play with that, take notes. So those are some things I think about when I am doing barbell rows for back.